Here's a quick demo of searching for your poet using the CRC Library's resources. Find the OneSearch box from your research guide or from the CRC Library website. Start by searching for your artist's name for biographical info or literary criticism. After you type in your artist's name, you'll find a list of search results. These will include a variety of different types of sources. News, magazines, books, and reference sources can be useful for background or biographical information. Look for articles, books, or academic journals to find literary criticism. You can control the resource type using the limiters on the left-hand side. Use the Full Text Online button to find only sources that you can read the full article or book right away online. Look through your search results and see if anything looks interesting. If you find something you'd like to read, click on the title or the availability to be able to access the full text of the article. In this case, this is an ebook available from one of our collections. Click on the View Online link. It may open in a new page. When the full text or ebook opens, go ahead and click into the link to actually view the full article, or in this case, since it's an ebook, I can go into the table of contents and find the chapter that's talking about my poet. The databases have really useful tools up at the top of the page or sometimes on the right-hand menu where you can access a permalink to get directly back to the source again. You can access citation tools, you can print or email sections of a work that are really useful for you. Read through the source to find biographical information and analysis of the author's work. This has been a quick demonstration on how to use OneSearch for searching.